Dorbar Thawan ke Jela Meghalaya ulaong baga kopi Shithi balapha da ka Voice of the People Party VPP ka babe sang Shipor yo ba Adelbert nongrom MLA ka North Shillong kam Kdew shai ba Kdew MLA Henry kum unong song snong ka Jaya Habakran sigilat pathai khubor hadin balawai ka sngining kong jong ka Dorbar senrai jong yang Dorbar Thawan ke Jela ha ka pratarek nai lur arhaja arpusan ha ka ba Adelbert ula panjing shai ka jingpen kenria jaka song yu ulampang ulaong baka Shithi kam Kdew shai balak bandon bun ki Adelbert nongrom wat tang ha ka wei ka dongru Shushu lampang ulaong pat bauba Adelbert udai ban kran ha ka yang Dorbar kat kum ki kendon penyat ha ba ukli syapang ka jingsha pen kenria jaka song Henry unsayo biang hajaka ba uju song menswa ka VPP ka sengsan hima sima ka basong ha kalyang persya kala be seng Shipor yo ba Adelbert nongrom ha ka arpusaw tare ulaber arja arpusan ha lor ki nongrem baula le persya ya ka seng na ka baula job ya ka election MLA house nam arhajar arpulai
Actually, that was not exactly the procedure he had raised without citing any point of order, and he has raised the question. But as an elected representative member, he has every right to do so. But he should have followed the procedure. But I have looked into it, and I have seen that technically he is still the part of the VPP legislature party, so he still belongs there. So shifting his place may have been an oversight from our secretariat. So we are putting a correction to that. I believe he should get his original place. As I say, technically he is still part of the VPP legislature party. He has been suspended. That information has also come to us. But that letter, as I say, that letter does not address him as MLA. He has just been suspended from the party, not from the legislature party. That is what we have interpreted, because the suspension letter addressed to him was only addressed as Mr. Adelbert Nongrum Jayao. No MLA, nothing, no prefix.
Yeah,
the suffix was not. That is why technically, I think, technically he is still a member of the VPP legislature party. No, I have received the letter. Of course, and it is a fact that he has been suspended from the party. But then, technically, I cannot accept it, because the letter that was given to me, the copy of the suspension letter that was given to me, was addressed to Adelbert Nongrum just as simply Adelbert Nongrum. There could be so many other Adelbert Nongrums living in that same locality. Yes, of course. Technically he should be. Yes, he is. No, it's not about accepting or not accepting. He is getting his original seat back. So I don't think that will explain and that will speak for itself. No, I'm not talking about the procedure was wrong in the sense that when he raised this matter today in the House without mentioning any point of order, that was not as per the procedure. That was, I had said. I'm not talking about that his suspension was not according to the procedure. I'm not saying that. I was also just merely mentioning that what he had stood up and raised the matter today in the House was not according to the procedure. But however, I invited him to come to my chamber and so it. I cannot accept that letter as that he has been actually suspended from the party. He could be suspended from the party, but I, as a speaker, still recognize him as a part of the VPP legislature party.
Due to the fact that
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhak ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.